What's good, my YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel. It is always good to connect with you. Today I'm going to take you down memory lane. Are you ready for a full demonstration of the authentic Jamaican rundown, or in patois, rundown? This is what I'm going to do for you today. All right, so please get ready for the vibes, get ready for the goodness as we cook together. But before we get into the video, please remember to hit the subscribe button. Also like and share it with your friends and your family. Let's help this channel to grow. I am counting on you, all right? So let's get into the kitchen. Let me show you my ingredients and give you a full demonstration of how to prepare Jamaican rundown. So here's what I'm going to use for this easy yet delicious recipe. So I have coconut as my main ingredients. I'm going to use saltfish or codfish, onion, tomato, pimento, hot pepper, but not everything, sweet pepper, garlic, scallion, and thyme. All right? So these are the basic ingredients that I'm going to use. So please watch the video to the very end. All right? So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to prepare the coconut for blending and also extracting the juice. So I have removed it from its outer shell, the hard shell. I didn't do this on camera because I want to spare you the loud banging. All right, so we just want to cut it up in small pieces so that it does not pressure the blender. Back in the days, we used to grate the coconut, but today we have technology that can make the work much easier. So why do things manually when you have technology to assist you? Alright guys, so just gonna put this in the blender and extract the juice and come back to you, alright? Or extract the milk, I should say. Alright, so I'm finished with the blending. I just want to strain it. All right, and I have washed my hands. I'm gonna give it a good squeeze to extract the juice. So here we have it. Rich, creamy, natural coconut milk. So now it's time to get the cooking going. So I have transferred the coconut milk to my good, faithful Dutch pot. And I'm gonna let this boil until it becomes a custard. All right, so stay tuned and watch the process, all right? In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and boil the saltfish to get rid of the excess salt. All right, so just stay tuned. So here I have all the seasoning cut up and ready, looking all colorful. Okay guys, so you can see it is forming the custard like I've said before. Alright, so we still have a little ways to cook. Let it boil down. In some country they call it oil down. In Jamaica we say run down. Okay guys, so now the saltfish is boiled. I'm going to clean it up. I'm going to remove the scales and also the bones. So you just want to spend some time and clean it properly. So now that it is cleaned, I'm going to go ahead and break it into small pieces. As you break it, you keep searching for bones in the meantime. So it is this simple. All right. So at this point, guys, you can see the custard is formed. So I'm going to go ahead and add the seasoning. Right, so we're just going to add everything. And we're not using any fancy seasoning. You know, back then growing up in Jamaica, rundown was like a struggle food or struggle meat. So just gonna let this simmer a bit to release the flavor. Looking nice already. I'm gonna add a bit of hot pepper. Just a little piece. And also some black pepper. maybe about a teaspoon or so of black pepper. So I don't want it to be too spicy. Smelling real good. So now I'm going to add the saltfish and just let everything simmer. And then we're ready. And if you notice, I'm not putting any salt because I added the saltfish. However, if you taste it and it's a little bit fresh, you can always put salt in it. Wow, looking good. And in this pot now I have some dumplings, green banana, and yellow yam. That's what I'm going to have with my rundown. So guys, I think we're done. Look at the richness, look at the niceness. Smelling good. You can see the custard. So this is how you want to see your rundown, or your rundown, or your aisle down. Alright, so if you have reached this far in the video and you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like, and also share. You can also leave a comment in the comment section and let me know how your rundown turns out. Alright? God bless you. So are you salivating, guys? So dumpling, yellow yam, banana, and rundown. Right, so like I've said before, I'm taking you back. This is nostalgic. It's been a long time, probably a long time for some of you. So let me know what you think, all right? God bless you. Dinner is served. Alright, so let me end the video right here. Thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate you staying through the entire process. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, and also share it with your friends and your families. As a matter of fact, send this video to 10 of your family members or friends. Alright, and let's help this channel to grow. Please remember to follow me on Instagram. It is Paul_MDTD. So God bless you, and I will see you in the next video.